Imagine waking up to a sky where the sun isn't. Instead, a dark, hungry void looms, warping the heavens like a cosmic vacuum cleaner. Today, we're tackling a nightmare scenario. What if a black hole devoured our sun? Buckle up, this journey is equal parts terrifying, fascinating, and scientifically spicy. Minute 1. The uninvited guest. It starts with a flicker. Astronomers spot a rogue black hole 10 times the sun's mass barreling toward our solar system. Panic? Not yet. Most black holes are light years away, but this one, it's on a direct collision course. Cue the Oh No playlists. Hour 6. Cosmic tug-of war as the black hole nears. The sun stretches like glowing taffy, a process called spaghettification. Solar plasma streams into the black hole's maw, powering a blinding accretion disk. On Earth, tides go berserk. Oceans slosh sideways. Your beach vacation? Canceled. Day 1, lights out, the sun vanishes, not slowly, instantly. Duh! The black hole's gravity bends light so severely that the sun's final rays loop endlessly around it. Earth plunges into darkness. Temperatures drop 1 degree Celsius every hour. Plants stop photosynthesizing. Panic buying of candles breaks the internet. Week 1. The freeze without sunlight. Earth becomes a snowball. Minus 100 degrees Celsius. Crops die. Power grids fail. Humanity huddles in geothermal bunkers, burning libraries for warmth. Meanwhile, the black hole snacks on Mercury. Crunch. Month 1. Orbital chaos. The solar system unravels. Planets, once orderly, spiral into chaos. Jupiter, swallowed whole. Mars, slingshotted into deep space. Earth's orbit, a wobbly mess. You might collide with Venus, get yeeted into the void, or become the black hole's permanent chew toy. Year 1, time's funhouse near the black hole. Time slows. For every hour on Earth, centuries pass elsewhere. Future humans watch our demise and fast forward. Meanwhile, we're stuck in a time loop of frostbite and existential dread. Decade 10. The final bite, the black hole finishes its meal. All that's left is an accretion, disk, a glowing halo of superheated doom. Earth, if it survived, now orbits a darkness 60 kilometers wide. But without the sun's warmth, we're just a frozen rock with Wi-Fi withdrawal. Century 100. Galactic nomads, if humanity escaped, we're now refugees on generation ships. But black holes aren't picky eaters. They'll hunt us down, slurping stars and planets like cosmic ramen. Our only hope, find a new star. Pray it's not on the menu. The science. Black holes don't roam the galaxy hunting stars. They're rare and space is vast. The nearest known black hole, Gaia BH1, is 1,560 light-years away, far too distant to care about our sun. Even if one approached, we'd have millennia to panic. Probably. Why this won't happen? Stellar black holes form from dead stars. Our sun's too small to become one. Supermassive black holes live in galaxy cores. Ours, Sagittarius A*, is 26,000 light-years away, no threat. Physics says relax. Gravity binds the galaxy, but stars rarely collide. Space is mostly space. Silver lining. A black hole swallowing the sun would create the ultimate fireworks show. The accretion disk could outshine entire galaxies, visible across the universe. Plus, time dilation near the event horizon means you'd technically live forever. From your perspective, the existential twist. This nightmare reminds us how fragile our pale blue dot truly is. No sun, no life. But here's the kicker. In 5 billion years, the sun will naturally die, expanding into a red giant that roasts Earth. Black holes just speedrun the apocalypse. Conclusion. A black hole eating the sun is the universe's ultimate game over screen. But don't panic, it's astronomically unlikely. Instead, let's cherish our warm, stable star. Maybe invest in bunkers, just in case. If you enjoyed this cosmic horror story, smash that like button, subscribe, and remember, the universe is 99.999% empty space. But that 0.001% keeps things interesting.